If your Windows 11 taskbar is not working and you have tried so many things and still if it has issues, we will be doing 4 simple steps to fix this problem, and please make sure you watch and follow all the steps and you will be able to fix this problem. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe. So the very first step is to restart the computer. I know it's a very common thing, but when we do so many things all together, open so many softwares and browser, then system gets busy, and to put off the load, we restart the computer and Windows Explorer, the taskbar starts working. But let's say if restart doesn't work and the taskbar is still not working, then we need to restart some essential services to enable the taskbar again. So for that, in the start icon, just do a right click and then go to Task Manager. Now once the Task Manager is opened, now I'll just maximize it so that we can see it properly. Now here we need to scroll down from the Processes tab and we need to go to this Windows Processes. Now here we need to look for, we're looking for Windows Explorer. So I can see right here, I just need to do a right click, and here we need to click on Restart. So for many of us, this will fix the problem. But let's say if it doesn't, then we will move to the next step. So here we have Processes, Performance, App History, Startup, and we need to go to Details. Now I'll tell you 4 services which we are looking here. We will be doing the end task for all those 4 services. So I have sorted them by name by just clicking on this name here, and I'll scroll down to S. So the very first service which we need to end task is the SearchHost.exe. So just do a right click and click on end task, and then go to this SearchIndexer.exe, do a right click and then click on end task. Once you have done it, then we need to do the end task for RuntimeBroker.exe end task. So I can see I have 3 RuntimeBroker services. So we need to end task one by one. And once you're done with it, once you restart the computer, see if your taskbar started working. And if you still have issues, we need to repair the system files and Windows files. I'll mention these commands in the description box. You just need to copy and paste it one by one. So the very first command is DISM CheckHealth. So I'll just copy it here. I'll copy it, and in the search icon, I'll type CMD and then run as an administrator. So once you do that, it will ask you to say yes, and you need to press enter, press Ctrl V to paste it, and then hit enter. Then it will start scanning and checking health, and it will restore the health of the computer. So once you do it, do all these one by one, the scan health and the restore health, and once you're done, restart the computer and do the SFC scan. This is also a very powerful scanner of Windows which fixes if you have any Windows corruption. This will be fixed by the SFC scan, which we call it System File Checker of Windows. So you can do that and restart the computer, see if it's working for you or not. If you still have issues, then I would recommend to update the Windows, and for that you just need to click on this search icon and type Windows. You just type update, that will do, and you will find Windows Update Settings, and once you click on that, you just need to click on check for updates and install all updates. Make sure you install all the latest updates and restart the computer and see if your taskbar is working fine or not. Please let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you. And guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.